This challenge is titled It's Getting Hot in Here. It is an industrial control SCADA challenge where the scenario is that you are attacking a spaceship's environmental and operational control system. The goal is to overheat the main reactors and to sabotage the atmosphere control system's motor. The 4 grading points were to identify the software version running on the system, set temperature parameters outside of safe operating range for the reactors, either stop or cause the atmosphere control motor to spin too fast and break, and finally, to clear out activity logs. Here, the competitor is looking at network traffic on the left side of the screen in Wireshark and viewing the human-machine interface on the right that displays the current reactor temperatures and controls. The controls will not allow the reactor temperature to raise above safe parameters, so the user will have to manipulate the communication traffic to set the values out of range. The user is trying to manipulate reactor controls with the controls on the HMI page. This will not allow the temperatures to be set out of spec, so they'll need to manipulate the communications to the devices. Now we're going to see the user write values directly to the reactor controller and cause it to overheat. The user is connecting to the reactor control and using the write register command to set the temperatures too high. Now they'll refresh the human-machine interface page to show the overheat condition, solving question 3. The user is attempting question 4. They are using SQL injection to try to determine the type of database and then erase the logs from it. Here the user is injecting SQL commands to get the solution for question number 4. The user is working on question 2 now. By examining network traffic in Wireshark, you can see here the reading of speed values for the atmosphere control motor by read holding register and writing the control signal with the write single coil. In the lower left of the screen, the data field is the control signal being sent to the motor controller. Here the user is connecting to the motor controller and writing their own control signals directly to it. The user has written a Python script to continuously send commands to the motor controller. The numbers incrementing on the left lower screen are the commands being sent. Here you can see the full solve of the challenge.